Vascular clogging or atherosclerosis is the most common disease of the arteries, in which large amounts of cholesterol are deposited in the vascular wall, forming a thickening, the so-called atherosclerotic plaques. The main causes of vascular clogging are improper diet, excess weight, heredity, sedentary lifestyle, and bad habits. The pathological process is characterized by the gradual deposition of lipid plaques on the inner walls of large blood vessels. Over time, they proliferate and are replaced by connective tissue. The lumen of the damaged vessel is slowly narrowing. As a result, the supply of blood and nutrients to the cells of the brain is stopped. It is not always easy to notice changes in your body, so it is advisable to see your doctor regularly and have tests done. Diagnosis will allow you to see plaques and other fat accumulation in the blood vessels in a timely manner. The risk of developing atherosclerosis is quite high in every person, regardless of gender. Products for cleaning the blood vessels of the brain and blood vessels in general. The brain is one of the most complex organs of the human body. Neither mental work nor normal physiology is possible without it. Its health and proper functioning requires a variety of amino acids, polyunsaturated fats, omega-3 and omega-6, vitamins, especially E and C, water, and other substances. Healthy blood vessels are the key to vigor and joy of life. Problems with them can be the main cause of frequent pressure surges and a variety of ailments, up to and including strokes. That's why it's important to watch your diet. To strengthen the blood vessels and improve blood flow through them, it is necessary to carry out a regular procedure of cleansing them, and include in your daily diet a number of products that contribute to this. Corn porridge. This porridge is useful for fighting vascular and heart disease. It helps to reduce the level of harmful cholesterol in the blood, improves metabolism, has a beneficial effect on the liver. With regular consumption, corn porridge helps to get rid of excess weight. Porridge slows down the absorption of fats and carbohydrates, which means that energy is released evenly and blood sugar levels are maintained at the right level for a long time. The dish contains a lot of antioxidants, including selenium. It slows the aging process at the cellular level and helps to keep the heart muscle healthy and young. Regular consumption of corn grits at times reduces the risk of hypertension and clogged blood vessels. The corn gruel is made according to the following recipe. A glass of finely ground corn grits. It is necessary to pour water, rinse at least 5 to 7 times, then drain the liquid. For cooking, it is better to use a cast iron or a thick-walled pot. Boil 3 cups of purified water, add salt to taste. Pour the rinsed groats into the boiling water. The ratio of groats to boiling water is 1:3. Cook over low heat without a lid for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring from time to time. As soon as the porridge begins to puff like semolina and all the water is absorbed, you need to take it off the stove. Cover the pot with a lid and wrap it well with a towel. Leave the dish to infuse for 25 to 30 minutes. In the heat, the porridge slowly cooks, remaining hot. Its consistency is not too crumbly, but not too viscous. You can add sour cream or butter to taste. Turmeric. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that greatly reduce the likelihood of damage to the walls of blood vessels. Thanks to its antioxidants, the spice can reduce the likelihood of fatty plaques in arteries by 25%. Turmeric can be added to various dishes, tea, and milk. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic of natural origin, as well as a protector against colds and flu. Its consumption in small quantities helps to improve blood circulation and stabilize blood pressure. 1 clove a day is enough to protect against vascular and heart diseases. Garlic contains hydrogen sulfide and nitric oxide. It also has important antioxidants in huge quantities. They help reduce the tone of blood vessels. This results in lowering harmful cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure readings. Pomegranate. This is one of the best foods to clean the blood vessels and keep the cardiovascular system toned. The pomegranate helps to clear the body of cholesterol, to thin the blood, to clear the walls of the vessels of atherosclerotic plaques, and to improve the bloodstream. Red fruits in large quantities contain antioxidants that fight free radicals, which stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the blood. It is recommended to eat pomegranate fresh. You can also drink freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. It is important that it be sterilized and contain a minimum amount of sugar. Juice and pomegranate help the body actively fight atherosclerosis. Pomegranate juice also prevents the development of this disease and reduces its manifestation. If you have certain problems with blood vessels, the first thing to pay attention to is the pomegranate. A lot of studies show that the use of sterilized pomegranate juice during a year contributes to the reduction of the thickness of the walls of blood vessels by 30%. Dried fruits. The rich vitamin and mineral composition makes dried fruits a product of prime necessity for those who want their heads to work fast and well. Dried apricots, raisins, prunes, dates, and other dried fruits and berries reduce the level of harmful cholesterol in the blood, clean the main brain vessels from cholesterol plaques, improve memory and concentration, and help maintain good coordination. Honey. This is a recognized healer of the cardiovascular and nervous systems. With constant mental work, it is necessary to include it in the diet as a means of cleansing the blood and blood vessels of harmful cholesterol and improving the cerebral circulation. Whole grains. This is one of the most accessible products, which at the same time helps to protect the body from the formation of cholesterol deposits on the walls of blood vessels, from the development of atherosclerosis and other serious illnesses of the cardiovascular system. Bran, cereals, and baked goods made from wholemeal flour contain large amounts of fiber, which helps to clean blood vessels and the body from harmful cholesterol. Also, whole grains contain potassium, calcium, sodium, and other trace elements and vitamins that are good for blood vessels and heart. A diet with lots of whole grains prevents thickening of artery walls. Arteries are responsible for delivering blood to all vital organs. Thickening of their walls provokes the appearance of atherosclerosis, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease and strokes. Broccoli. Broccoli is high in fiber, which has beneficial effects on vascular health. Broccoli, cauliflower, and regular cabbage help prevent clogged arteries and protect against the development of cardiovascular disease. Greens contain so many important vitamins for mental activity that even a single dose is able to help remember or recall a lot of valuable information, to raise the productivity of thought activity and relieve fatigue. Greens also effectively help to clear the blood vessels. It owes such results to a large amount of B vitamins and folic acid. Nuts. Nuts are an excellent product for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Rich in healthy fatty acids, vegetable proteins, vitamin E, and magnesium, they prevent the formation of cholesterol plaques and the accumulation of harmful cholesterol in the blood vessels, preventing their clogging and the development of many diseases. Citrus. Citrus fruits contain antioxidants and vitamin C, all things that are essential for healthy arteries. Vitamin C plays an important role in reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, and flavonoids help protect artery walls. To protect your blood vessels, it is recommended that you add citrus fruits to your daily diet. Drink water with lemon and orange juice in the morning. Olive oil. The monounsaturated oleic acid in olive oil protects the heart and greatly reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. It is recommended to eat extra virgin olive oil because it retains the maximum number of useful compounds. Fatty fish. Unsaturated fats are necessary for the health of our body. Fatty fish contains all the necessary fatty acids, protein, and many useful trace elements, which clean the blood vessels, strengthen their walls, and significantly reduce the risk of heart problems. That's the end of the video. On the channel you can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of fruits and vegetables, as well as diseases and how to treat them. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. See you later.